Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. First, ensure you have your Pillsbury cookie dough ready, along with any optional additions like extra chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or use a non-stick spray to prevent sticking. This simple preparation ensures your cookies bake perfectly and are easy to remove. Carefully place the pre-portioned cookie dough rounds onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each for proper spreading. If you prefer larger cookies, simply combine 2 dough rounds before placing them. Bake for approximately 11 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are a beautiful golden brown. Keep an eye on them to prevent overbaking. Once baked, remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This allows them to firm up slightly before moving. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies with a glass of milk or your favorite beverage. They are truly a delightful treat. To keep any leftover cookies fresh, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. If you have extra dough, you can freeze unbaked portions for up to 2 months, ready for your next craving. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum mentioned in the description. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy. Don't forget to check the description for that link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.